Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. COVID-19 across world. WHO recommends two new drugs. Scientists find gene that double risk of serious COVID. As the Omicron variant of coronavirus becomes dominant across the world, a World Health Organization panel recommended the use of two more drugs to treat COVID-19. Meanwhile, the Pfizer Inc. said it has applied for Japanese government approval for its oral COVID-19 treatment. Also, Polish scientists said they have found a gene that more than doubles the risk of the becoming several ill with COVID-19. Here, what is happening around the world in 10 points. Our WHO panel recommends the use of two drugs by Eli Lilly and GlaxoSmithKline and Vir Biotechnology for COVID-19 patients. A UN report said that the deadly wave of COVID-19 Delta variant stole 240,000 lives in India between April and June in 2021 and disrupted economic recovery and warned that similar episodes could take place in the near term. Police scientists have found a gene that they say more than doubles the risking of becoming severely ill with COVID-19, a discovery they hope could help doctors identify people who are most at the risk from the disease. US President Joe Biden announced that the government will double to 1 billion the rapid at-home COVID-19 kits to be distributed free to Americans along with the most protective N95 mask as he highlighted his efforts to surge. The UK government announced that the minimum period of self-isolation for someone who tests positive COVID-19 will be reduced from the current 7 days to 5 effective from Monday. As per the new rule, fully vaccinated people will be able to leave isolation on the day 6 after negative lateral flow test on that day and a day before. On Friday, Pfizer Inc. said it applied for Japanese government approval on its oral COVID-19 treatment. Two brand new COVID-19 pills that were supposed to be important weapon against the pandemic. WHO Chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus said on a tweet Thursday while Omicron causes less severe COVID-19 disease than Delta. Pakistan reported more than 3,000 new coronavirus cases on Thursday, a whopping 46% jump and the highest single-day surge. The AstraZeneca vaccine showed an increased antibody response to the Omicron variant of COVID-19 after a third booster dose. Preliminary data released by the Anglo-Swedish Biopharma major said on Thursday. COVID-19 live updates. India reports over 2.64 fresh cases. Omicron tally rises to 5,753. The COVID-19 surge continues to sweep across India, driven by the Omicron variant, with 247,470 new cases reported on Thursday. Daily cases crossed the 2 lakh daily case mark for the first time in the country and nearly 8 months. At a review meet on COVID-19 situation in the country, Prime Minister Narendra Modi advised states to step up the pace of vaccination and to focus more on localized measures to contain the disease. In some good news, the World Health Organization approved two new COVID-19 treatments on Friday, Baricitinib and Sotrovimab, to stave out of severe illness and health from the virus. India reported 264,202 new COVID cases, 19. India reported 264,222. India reported 264,202 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, with the total tally of Omicron infections climbing to the 5,753, up 4.83% since yesterday.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.